My name is Sara. I am 29 years old. I am a widow. My husband died 3 years ago in an accident. Since then, my life has never been the same. I have 2 small children, a boy of 6 years and a girl of 4. They are my life, my world, my only reason to breathe. But being a mother without a husband, without money, is one of the hardest tests in this cruel world. I live in a small one-room house in the poor side of the city. The roof leaks in the rain, and the floor is broken. But still, I try to keep it clean because that's all I can give my children: cleanliness, love, and prayers. To survive, I work as a maid in different homes. I clean floors, wash dishes, cook food, and do laundry. But the truth is, people don't see me as a worker. They see me as a woman, a weak woman. And to them, I am not just a maid. I am a body. One morning, I was called to work in a rich businessman's house. The mansion was huge: marble floors, glass windows, everything shining like a palace. As I entered, his eyes scanned me from head to toe. He didn't look at my hands, the hands that came to work. He looked at my face, my body. "Are you the new maid?" he asked, his voice thick. "Yes, sir," I replied softly. He smiled strangely. You are young and beautiful." I forced a weak smile and said, "I am here to work, sir." "Please tell me what I should do. You don't need to work too hard. I just want you to stay near me, talk to me, give me company. I will pay you double." My heart sank. I needed money. My children needed food. But I was not ready to sell myself. "I'm sorry, sir. I came for work, not for other things," I said firmly. His face changed. Anger replaced his smile. "You poor people act like queens. Remember, without people like me, you cannot survive." I lowered my head, tears burning in my eyes. I worked silently the whole day, but when I left, he refused to pay me. That night, my children slept hungry. I lied to them, saying, "Mama is not hungry. That's why I didn't eat." But in truth, I had nothing to give them. In another home, a young couple hired me. At first, I thought they were kind. The wife said, "Please help me with the cooking." My husband comes late from office. I agreed happily. I thought finally I found a safe place, but I was wrong. One evening, when I was washing dishes, her husband came close. Too close. He whispered, "Why do you waste your beauty on dirty work? Come with me. I will give you money, clothes, and food. Nobody will know I froze." My heart raced. I stepped back and said, "Sir, please respect me. I am here only for work." He laughed coldly. "Respect? Poor maids like you don't get respect. You only get used." Tears filled my eyes again. I wanted to scream, but I remembered. I had small children. If I lost this job, how would I feed them? That night, I sat outside under the stars and prayed. I prayed, "Ya Allah, give me strength. Don't let me break. Don't let me lose my dignity." In another house, there was an old man. He lived alone. At first, he looked harmless. He was weak, with gray hair and shaking hands, but his tongue was not weak. Every time I bent down to clean, he stared at me. His eyes followed me like a shadow. One day, he said, "Come sit near me. I feel lonely. Warm my heart with your beauty." I stood still, shocked. "Sir, I am like your daughter's age. Please don't say such words." But he laughed. "Daughters are for family. Maids are for pleasure." His words cut me like knives. I wanted to quit, but I remembered. Quitting means hunger, hunger for my children. So, I kept working silently, swallowing my tears, until I found another house. Day after day, house after house, the story was the same. People accepted me not for my hard work, but for my beauty. They didn't see my broken slippers, my tired hands, or my hungry children. They only saw a widow, a poor woman, a body to use. Society doesn't ask, how much pain does she carry? Society only asks, how can we use her pain for our pleasure? Sometimes I would come home late at night, my eyes swollen from crying. But when I saw my children sleeping peacefully, my heart softened. I kissed their foreheads and whispered, "Mama will protect you. Mama will never give up." Their innocent faces gave me courage. I promised myself, I may be poor, I may be a widow, but I will not let anyone break my soul. One day, I met a kind woman. She was not like others. She treated me with respect. She gave me work in her house, cleaning, cooking, ironing. But she never used me, never insulted me. She even encouraged me. She said, "Sara, you are strong. You are more than just a maid. You are a mother, a fighter. Don't let society break you." Her words healed me. They gave me hope. I started saving a little money. I bought books for my son, a small doll for my daughter. For the first time, I saw them smile without hunger. Today, I am still a maid. But I am not ashamed. I am proud, because I work with honesty. I am proud, because I never sold my dignity, even when life pushed me to the edge. To everyone who hears my story, I want to say, maids are not objects. Widows are not toys. Poor women are not made for abuse. We are humans. We are mothers. We deserve respect, just like anyone else. This is my story, the story of Sara, a widow, a mother, a maid. I was used. I was abused. But I am still standing, because my love for my children is stronger than the cruelty of this world. And I pray, one day society will change. One day maids will be respected, not for their beauty, but for their hard work. One day, women like me will not be afraid to work in other people's houses. Until then, I will keep fighting. For my children. For my dignity. For my life. This was my story. If you felt my pain, don't forget to share. Support women like me with respect. And don't forget to subscribe for more emotional stories.